Today's craft, Pinecone bird feeders. You will need birdseed, pine cones, nut butter, string, and popsicle sticks. Here is an example of what your project might look like. First, gather your materials. We put everything on a paper plate so that it wouldn't be as messy. Next, tie a string to the top of your pine cone. Next, you're going to spread the nut butter onto the pine cone. This is the perfect job for your preschooler. We suggest using a popsicle stick or a plastic knife to spread the peanut butter onto the pine cone. This will help to keep your little one's hands from getting too messy. Make sure to spread the nut butter on all sides of the pine cone. When you're done, you can start to add the bird seed. Take the bird seed and sprinkle it on top of the peanut butter. You can even put the bird seed on a plate and roll the pine cone in it. Now your bird feeder is ready to hang outside. Thank you for crafting with us. If you enjoyed today's program, visit our website or follow us on social media.